Okay, so this is your treadmill. For your treadmill, you'll just press the green button and it will say quick start. From here, you can either select one of these pre-programmed exercises if you'd want to do that. If you do not, then you can adjust either your incline or your speed. Your incline, you can adjust it with the plus or minus arrows here. If you don't feel like using the plus or minus buttons, these numbers down here are already pre-programmed. You can use one of these and it will change the incline. If you don't want to use these pre-programmed numbers, you can use the plus or minus buttons here. These will also change your incline. All three locations will change the percentage of your incline. Next, you have your speed. You can either change it by the decimal point with the plus and minus here. If you don't feel like using these plus or minuses, these pre-programmed numbers over here will change your speed. These pre-programmed numbers right here will change your speed. And the plus or minus right here will also change your speed. All four locations change your speed, just whichever one you feel like reaching for when on the machine. You have your fans up here as well as your Bluetooth right here. When you are on the machine, it is important to note that when you get on, you want to fasten this clip on you on some piece of article of clothing. If you were to trip or stumble or catch your feet, this will pull. This little yellow reset button will pop out and the machine will stop. Will not start again until this button is pressed back in. This clip is just stored up here. Your TV settings are just down here in the corner. You have your power button and HDMI and input. Your channels you can go through with the numbers, or you have closed captioning. You can go up and down with the arrows for channels, or you have your volume right here, plus or minuses. Your headphone jack is a little hidden back here, or you have your remote that you can use as well. If you're trying to turn off the machine and you don't turn it off by pulling this, you have this giant red button to turn it off, or the little red button here. Both will turn off the machine when you are done and you can safely get off. And that's your treadmill.